Hey, what's up, guys? Jason here, owner of TGD Wraps. Want to show you guys this cool little project we've been working on. This is a customer's 21-foot sea hunt. It was blue originally. We just wrapped it in blue. The original color, our gel coat, had some age. So this is the before video or before footage of what this boat looked like. And then we'll roll into what it looks like now. So this boat went from looking like that to looking like what it does now, which is a huge difference. But if you're looking to refresh your boat, change the color, or even do a printed design, we can take care of any of those options. So if you're looking to change up the way your boat looks before the boating season this year kicks off in a full swing, give us a call, 757-967-0615, or jump on our website at tgdwraps.com. and submit a request. Someone will reach out and we'll get you rocking and rolling. So check this boat out.